You're good there?
Yep.
Perfect.
It's more like outer shoulder blade.
Yeah, so hips are off, and then that doesn't feel great.
No.
That doesn't feel quite so bad. But
But
yeah,
this
that
side,
doesn't feel great.
my left side is the sore side.
Hmm.
So I don't know if it's like overcompensating or something.
Let's get under the shoulder blade for a second. I'm assuming that doesn't feel wonderful.
No, but not as bad as it has before.
That's good. And then over here, not as bad as the other side. Okay. You're right about the leg difference though. Left is a little longer. Right bend's a lot better.
I know, my left knee has always been terrible.
Can you raise the right leg up as high as it'll go for me? Good. Drop that down. Try the other one. Most of the way. Try and hold that there for me. Okay. Versus. Oh, neither's good. Okay.
My right's better though.
On the right SI joint, it is. Try and hold that there. And now it's good. And I'll switch you. And hold. Okay, I'll take it. One more for me. Hold. And then if I take the support away, hold. Okay. So I'm going to get you facing over that way. Good. Good. And a breath in. Out.
Oh.
And then I'll get you the other way.
You know, is it a hip thing that I can't? Or is it a knee thing that makes it me can't?
That makes you can't?
Yeah, like the support.
I'm going to get you back face down.
Like the strength, is it a knee thing or a hip thing?
So usually more of a hip thing. So like hamstrings running from the hip down just below the knee.
Yeah.
And so depending on how the hips are actually aligned, it'll change how that pulls. That also fixes the bending. You're bending better on that left side now. The knee itself is more or less like a simple hinge. There's only so many things that can really go wrong there.
Oh, probably just muscle.
Exactly. Try and hold that up. Most issues with the knee, not all, but most are coming from something going wrong, either the hip or the ankle, where there are a lot more things that can go wrong.
Yeah. Well, my motion in my ankles aren't the greatest.
Well, I mean, a couple hundred probably good rolls during rugby.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to adjust through here next. Deep breath in. Let that out.
Oh, yeah.
And then one more breath in. Out.
Oh.
Good. And we're going to come up. That needs some help too. Jeez. Get a little beat up. I'm going to borrow your head.
It's a lot of work.
Breath in. And out. Good. And you can have your head back.
Oh.
And let me get the other side. There we go. And a breath in. Out. And that was easy. Perfect. You get that back.
Oh. Just long hours at the office, you know?
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot more time that gets put into now running your own business instead of working for somebody too.
Well, I'm...
We're going to get up into the shoulder blade here. You're okay with that?
Yeah.
Let me know if that changes.
I'm more prone to actually putting in more work because it's for me.
Oh, absolutely.
Because it's like triple the money, you know?
Well, motivation's a lot higher for sure.
Yeah.
And we're going to do some pin and stretch. So I'm going to get right in there with a thumb. You may hate me for a second. You're okay with that?
Yeah.
Kinda? Okay, good.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Oh, okay.
I mean, like, you're pinching me, but maybe I'll lose the tingly sensation.
Are you getting a lot of tingling?
After like, I'd say like a minute of holding something above my head, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna check into that a little more then.
But that's been a forever thing. That's why I don't do drywall
Fair.
or celebrate my successes.
You might have to have some to celebrate them.
Yeah, one day. Maybe I'll adopt so I can force the success on someone else.
Vicarious success.
Yeah. I'll just give them books on how to be successful. I won't teach them any of my advice.
Yeah, honestly, if they turned into half the rugby player you are, I think they'd be celebrating a lot.
Maybe I'll do it professionally.
Everything in there seems relatively happy.
I feel a lot better.
I'm gonna get you sitting for a sec. I'll get you facing out, like away from me. Just gonna see, we're gonna assess, see if we can bring out some of the tingly. If I bring you back here, I'm gonna find your pulse. There we go. Any issues there?
No.
Can you
Maybe a little, but
little
I
already.
don't know if it's from you pinching.
Fair. Can you look over your shoulder towards me? Anything there?
A little more.
A little more. Deep breath in. Hold it at the top. Anything extra there?
No.
Okay. You can breathe out. Look over the other shoulder. Anything extra there?
I don't think so.
No. Okay. Deep breath in. Anything extra there?
That's hard to say.
Okay, you can breathe again. I'm gonna really drag your shoulder down.
But
Anything there?
yeah.
Fair bit extra.
Yeah.
And then the last piece, I'm gonna just raise it up.
It just runs down my tri and then down to my pinkies.
I kind of lose your pulse here too, actually.
Nice.
Are you getting any extra tingling?
Yeah, now it's the whole arm.
Okay. So, essentially we were trying to find out where it's coming from between the scalene's muscles in the front, the sort of costoclavicular area, so basically just the mess of bones and joints in here, or the pec. Lucky you, it's coming from most of them.
Yay.
So,
I find too though that like my pecs are weaker in general, so I don't know if that helps.
sometimes. So it's usually, yeah. Sorry, anything through there?
That you're poking?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
It's like tight muscles.
Nothing coming down the arm though?
Maybe
Maybe a little.
but I still got residual from before.
That's fair. So I'm going to start by working in through the muscles in the front of the neck. It's coming more from in through here. Are you going to be okay with some pressure in there?
Yes.
Alright. So I'm going to borrow your head. We're just going to slowly bring it back. Good. Survivable pressure?
Yeah. As long as you don't have to bring out the hammer and chisel. Then I might need a glass of water first.
I thought that's what the YouTube Chiro thing was all about.
Yeah, Dr. Hightower.
I've never actually met another Chiro that uses that, and I'm so curious a lot of the time as to like what he's doing.
I think it's just like saves his thumbs and his hands from like doing what you're doing.
Well, it can't. I mean, some of it I think is the population he works with, because it is like the other group that I know uses that are like dudes who adjust horses.
Oh, okay.
But
That's
I'm
a thing?
assuming adjusting. Oh yeah, yeah. Like every competitive racehorse gets adjusted, and acupuncture and massage.
That is wild.
Those things live a better life than most people.
Man, I want to be a horse.
But yeah, that's the only other spot I've ever really seen the hammer and chisel setup used is adjusting horses.
So like what
Right.
I've seen him do it is like, you know, like world's strongest man.
I was gonna say, I feel like adjusting somebody like the Mountain or some pro
Yeah.
fighters.
And like he did it on a couple barbers,
Yeah.
just because they're all up like this the whole time that their necks were like super messed up. But I think my phone listens to me because after talking to you, I got recommended those videos, so.
Yeah, the whole listening thing's kind of crazy sometimes. We're also going to adjust in through here, so I'm going to bring you over. You're okay there?
Yeah.
And then deep breath in, out. Okay, we got some movement back in the first rib. I'm happy you're there, and then I'm going to get you on your back for me.
Did you say first rib?
Yeah, so there's a rib sort of underneath your trap
Okay.
that's supposed to move up and down, sort of like a bucket handle as you breathe.
Okay.
So it kind of comes up, goes down. Yours was sort of stuck up,
Nice.
which is not always super fun, and as things get jammed in there, it can sort of impact the nerves. Last one we're going to do, sort of as they go down the arm, is in through the pec. Doing okay there?
Yeah, I can feel it though.
I believe it.
The construction life made me ignore pain, but still feel it.
God, yeah, you're just like ropes in here.
Take pride in the ropes.
You've definitely worked to get them like this.
Thanks. Try my best every day. There we go.
Starting to get through there.
You chiseled away my armor. The knots were protecting me.
It's all about getting through the layers in there.
I felt that in my shoulder blade.
Oh, I believe it. It was pretty ugly. I'm gonna give you that back. And then, so, over here.
It's way worse.
Well, the ropes aren't there quite the same way. There's nothing protecting you.
Oh no, my armor. I have to work on it tomorrow.
Yeah, just go and do everything from today.
Yeah.
There.
I'm too busy, it's the only time we can hang out.
Oh, good. All right. Good. So movement's relatively good, but there's a couple stuck joints in there. Ooh, beautiful.
Is that just me?
No, you're pretty even this time around. You're just lying to me.
I didn't,
There we go.
I didn't have, time to watch the whole thing. What was that video you posted today? With the
Oh,
football?
yeah, mostly just getting in through the thoracic spine, so kind of in between the shoulder blades.
Alright.
Great tool for just like opening things up and.
Can you do that same thing that you just did with my ankle joint to this left knee? Is that a thing?
Well,
Or, like, do I need to inject it with some anti-inflammatory or something?
so we can potentially, if it needs it, we can adjust it.
Oh,
Not that
see?
easy. That really didn't take much.
Like, I think it's just from, like, shifting gears in my car and stuff. over the course of like 12 years, but like it's always like
Yeah.
perma-sore.
Can you kick up into me here? Let me see if I can bring it down. Good. Hard as you possibly can up into me. That wasn't great. Alright, so we are going to find a trigger point in through here.
You're getting close.
Yep. There it is. And then we're going to move you so that you're just feeling, should just be pressure from my thumb. You're okay there?
Yeah. About halfway up was worse though. Like halfway up my raising of the leg.
Okay. Good. And then hard as you can up into me again. There we go, that's better. Good. I'm going to borrow the left arm again. So we're going to recheck a bunch of things. If I bring you back there, I've got your pulse. Any issues at this point?
No.
Any numbness? No?
Way better than before.
Good. Can you look over the left shoulder for me?
No.
Good. Deep breath in. Hold at the top. Anything there?
No.
Perfect. Look over the right shoulder for me. This one wasn't too bad the first time around.
No.
Perfect. Deep breath in. Out. Anything when you took the breath in?
Maybe like a little bit, like right on the back of my forearm, but like my fingers are way better.
Okay. Step in the right direction. I'm going to have you look forward. We're going to just traction the shoulder down. Well, that sinks down a lot nicer. How's that feeling?
Better.
Good. Then we'll bring it up.
Right there.
Okay.
That's the point.
Full arm?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so pulse still sort of goes. So there is going to be some more work just in getting the chest opened up.
Sure.
Did well enough with the scalenes and then the costoclavicular junction there. Forgetting words by the end of the day. This is not a good thing. Alright. And then feel everything else out for me.
Yeah. I mean, my hips feel better.
Good, I'll take that.
Yeah.